In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to activate Fantasy Premier League account. First, download this app Premier League. Once you do that, launch it. You will be directed to this page. Now click on this icon given at the bottom left. Now click on the option Join My PL. Then click on Continue. Now you're gonna get different options to join your Premier League account. Google, Facebook, Apple or Twitter. Or also you can type in your email address over here and click on Join with Email. For this guide, I'm gonna use X account. Once you select it, you'll need to allow access. So click on Authorize App. Now you'll need to fill this form. Type in your email address, type in the first name, last name, likewise date of birth, select your gender, select your residence, select your nationality, then type in your phone number and then agree with the terms and conditions of Fantasy Premier League. Once you fill this form, click on Create an Account. In the next page, you will be prompted to verify your email address. You will be receiving code in your email address. You'll need to check your mail and then type in that code and then confirm it. With that, you have just activated your Fantasy Premier League account. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.